Brighton, good afternoon.
My country people, I greet everybody. This is the voice of your homeboy, Dr. Ogiwonyi Brightons. I may be the MD, CEO, and the chief inventor of all Brightons Electronics Company products.
My brother Brightons, what do they produce for your company? And any discounts price day for anything when we say they produce? And another one again, you should tell us about the automatic changeover device when we say it's full everywhere.
Yes, for Brightons Electronics Company, we they make what they call the Brightons inverter, Brightons alternator boosters, Brightons phase selectors, Brightons automatic changeover, so many products of Brightons Electronics. I want to let Nigerians know, say the one what they call the Brightons inverter, the battery, the solar charge controller, the solar panel. If you combine all those ones, you go fit carry your television, fan, AC, borehole, deep freezer, depending on the size or kVA where you they go for. And I want to let you know, say if you say you want me to use and take get 24 hours constant light, then you go need to buy more battery join them, more solar panel join them. However, you go carry your normal household electronics. You not be say they go to subscribe and not get any subscription. Your normal household electronics now you go carry, not get your special bulb. Now I want to let you know, say the way it be say people will go say they want to make the buy them at promo price, but they not get the money now. They go fit deposit 50,000 naira. Then we go allow them to they pay the remaining money small within 4 months. But now when you don't pay finish, you go come carry them. But if 4 months you not consider pay finish, we go give you 1 extra month, 1 month grace to make a total of 5 months. So that means at the end of the 5th month, you go buy them at normal price. Don't be say your money go lost. Then you will be say you want to pay, maybe the user at the same time. That one means say you go buy them. You pay 60% of normal price, not promo price. Then you go come pay the remaining 40% within 3 months. That one get your own terms and conditions. Or you they use the product before, you want to return and make you upgrade to a higher kVA. It is possible as long as our product you they use. Or you buy them, you can introduce 6 of your friends. We go give you the next kVA upgrade free of charge.
Okay, you must break for them. Then tell us about your automatic changeover device. But another question still the one which I could ask you. How does your product like inverters, batteries, solar panels, and solar charge controllers? Which could differentiate this your own from others when we say the market? And see answer this one too. You should tell us about the automatic changeover device.
You see, the Brightons automatic changeover device now something we design for generators, so that if maybe they bring your NEPA light or public power or BDC bring light come back, the Brightons automatic changeover it go help you off the generator, carry you back to national grid or public power effortlessly. Maybe you dey sleep for night, they bring light. You don't even need to get up, go the off generator where they outside. You go off the gen for you, carry you go public power. Then the one they call the Brightons power switch for generator, it different from the automatic changeover. That one has something to be say it go fee if you put that for your parlor or bedroom or anywhere where you like for your house. You fit use that take off gen where they outside, or you fit use that take on gen where they outside. So if you press the switch on, gen where they outside go on. If you press the switch off, gen where they outside go off. So you never need to the waka they come out for night or trying to avoid insecurity issues. Then you ask me just now say the difference between our inverter, the battery,
all those ones when I mentioned.
Yes, and the charge controller. You see, the most important advantage of buying anything for Brightons Electronics be say what will they sell now we they make them. If it's spoiled, bring them back. Company will make them in Nigeria, it dey Benin. If you develop fault, you bring them back. So that means your after sales service is guaranteed. So all the Nigerians know say now wetin go fit carry your fan, television, AC, borehole, deep freezer, depending on the size where you dey buy. And the solar panel, for example, it gets shelf life of 20 years, but we dey give manufacturer warranty of 2 years. And again, you know the drag thunder, you don't need to re-air the place because now original panel we say they manufacture for China for us based on the research work we do concerning Nigerian weather. So those who want buy our panel, for example, if we dey not, we get the type of they give to customers where they not, we get the type of they sell for customers where they south based on the research work and the way you both help us manufacture the panel. Then as for the inverter, battery, solar charge controller, all those one get 1 year manufacturer warranty. Yes, I use the word manufacturer warranty, not be consumer error. Not be say you buy inverter you know say the thing na 1 kVA for example, you know say no go carry AC, you wan on AC or ball put, you wan look wetin go happen when you see wetin go happen, you go pay for the repair. Maybe you know say your NEPA light is too high, you no wan put stabilizer for the charging side to regulate the voltage of the current wey dey come dey charge the battery through the inverter, then high voltage go spoil am. You go pay for the repair, my brother. So that one not be manufacturer problem, that one na external issue, na consumer error.
As you dey install am for them, you dey tell them.
Of course na we go tell you now. Of course, why we no go tell you? We go tell you.
Okay, this is your alternator booster for pressing iron. You go tell us about that. The another one when today be say this your energy bulb. When we say you manufacture, when you the manufacturer now, you should tell them more about and tell us the difference when we say it dey between this your own and the one with the market too.
You see the Brothers Alternator booster and a circuit wey we design for Brothers Electronics wey be say for people wey dey into tailoring, fashion designers, hairdresser, dry cleaner, or you get hotel, you get laundry service department, you need the pressing, you dey use pressing iron until they do your business, you need that brightest alternator booster so that when you plug iron for the gen, that grease sound wey the gen dey make, e go reduce am. Not be say your gen go turn soundproof or noiseless gen, no, e go reduce am so that make your generator no dey quick dey spoil, make you no dey buy half engine up and down. So if you know say you get hotel, you dey do laundry service department for your hotel, you get you be tailor, you be fashion designers, or you be you dey do laundry services, buy brightest alternator booster for your pressing iron so that gen no go dey give you trouble. Then and for the brightest alternator, the brightest energy bulb, na LED super saving brightest energy bulb wey be say we design as 5 watts and 12 watts. The 5 watts shine light pass the normal 18 watt energy bulb wey dey market, while the 12 watts shine light pass the normal 40 watt bulb or incandescent bulb, 100 watt incandescent bulb wey dey market. So wetin we do be say we reduce the input power consumption rate of the bulb, increase the brightness, so that if you dey use am with your prepaid meter, e go make your NEPA bill, make the card don dey quick dey finish, or analog meter, e go help you make dem no dey give you big bill at the end of the month. Imagine say you buy like 10 of the 5 watts, that's just 50 watts, e go reduce your energy consumption. You wey be say you get solar panel, inverter battery connection, e go reduce the rate of your inverter battery go take dey drain. Then you wey be say you buy the bulb put for your event center or your fence, your house, your compound, your surrounding light, e go still reduce the rate wey your fuel and diesel go take dey finish for your generator. So na bulb wey be say we recommend for everybody because we reduce the input watt, increase the brightness.
Okay, this your company, so you get any area when we say you take the accept person when you go come for training, or students when we say they fit come do industrial training for your office there, you get any program like that for your company?
Yes, as part of our company corporate social responsibility, vocational study and technical skill acquisition programs, we dey train people right from time how to reproduce some of this God-given talent. But the thing wey dey there be say you must to sabi read and write. If you no sabi read and write, na there the problem dey. We no go fit train you because even if na primary 6 living certificate you get, or secondary school WAEC living certificate or NECO now you get, we go fit train you. The most important thing be say you go sabi read and write, because if you no sabi read and write, we no go fit, because you need to receive lecture wey we go take teach you for English language. We no go use Ishekiri, Ijo, Bini, Igbo, Hausa content dey teach you. Me no sabi speak all those language. I'm not sure say my engineers go fit. So na English we go use to teach you. So if you no sabi read and write, we no fit train you. Because as you dey come, we know say most people they never dey use to dry iron before, they are new, so they need to first receive theory lecture, write exam, make we know whether you understand the theory of what they first teach you before you come dey migrate fully into the practical session. So if you no assess you with an exam to know whether you dey even follow up the theory wey the engineers dey teach you, how you wan take carry so dry iron for the first time? You wan put fire
we
for
don't hear that one. We don't hear that. We know. How about the industrial training?
No, for you wey dey university, you can come do your industrial attachment training. We go train you well. on practical oriented
what
programs.
What if people want the polytechnic and the other?
Any institution can come and learn.
Okay, where your office dey?
Bratters Electronics Company dey number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. Number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. We dey open our office on Monday, Wednesday and Friday only. Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the evening, because we dey use our Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday till they produce wetin we dey sell, till they install for those wey dey already pay based on our staff strength. If you wan call us for phone, our phone number na 080-894-62794. Make I repeat am, 080-894-62794. Our MTN number na 080-3581-5348. Make I repeat am, 080-3581-5348. Or you search our website www.bratterselectronics.com. My country people, una do.